Are you doing ceiling works, installing downlights, maybe installing appliances, plugs and sockets? Is this the kind of work you're doing? Then you must be a Sparky, right? Well, if you're a Sparky, that's perfect, because I've made this video for you today in which I want to share my view on what's the best laser level for electricians. So stay tuned, I'll share that info and much more with you right after the intro. Alright, hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Ninja DIY TV, the place where you're going to find answers to your questions related to constructions, DIY, tools and much more. For those of you who doesn't know me, I'm Victor, I work in the construction industry and I share my knowledge with beautiful people like yourself on my blog ninjadiy.com, where you can find in-depth reviews, how-tos and many helpful guides that will help you take your DIY to the next level. Alright Ninja Sparkies, so let's cut to the chase. Here's what I believe to be the best laser level for electricians. The DEWALT DW088. Now this is a very good laser level and very liked by the construction professionals. I know many of my colleagues are using this laser level as well. Now the cool thing about this DEWALT laser level model in special is that you can choose to have it either on red laser beams, the DW088K on the left on the picture, or the green laser lines, the DW088LG on the right, which is really nice to have these options. Now let's talk about the DEWALT DW088K. It's been with us for some years now and it has been a very successful laser level from DEWALT. As I said, many trades use it, from carpenters to steel erectors and everything in between. They loved it and it's no wonder it has so many reviews on Amazon. We're talking about in the region of 500 reviews, which is a lot. By the way, if you want to read some pros and cons and some customer opinions about this laser level, first I'll leave you a link in the description. You can go straight to Amazon so you can read what people are saying about this laser level, or you can go to my blog ninjadiy.com, or you can Google it if you want. Just Google best laser level for electricians. It should be in the first 3 spots. Just have a look around, I'm sure you're gonna like it. It has some comparison tables and some other different laser levels as well. So let me share a few features and specs that we can find on this laser level. As we said, it projects red laser beams. It's a self-leveling device. It's been rated IP54, that means it's resistant to water. You can use it in the rain. As well, it's resistant to debris and dust. It's powered by 3 AA batteries. You can use it indoor at a distance of 50 feet, and if you have a laser level detector, then you can use it even further to 165 feet. On the other hand though, the green laser level version of the DW088, it's fairly new to the market, but DEWALT managed again with this green version model to make all trades happy, adding a few nice features that we'll discuss in just a minute. To be honest, if you do have the budget, just go for the DEWALT DW088LG. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. So let's see, it has so many awesome features, and here's why I like this DEWALT laser device. It's very easy and simple to use. It's only 2 buttons, just like the other one. It shows you the life of your battery. It's self-leveling. If you work on construction sites like I do, then this laser level should be fine if used in that kind of harsh environment, since it has a IP65 rating, which means is resistant to water and debris, plus has an outside rubber protection which will reduce the chance of breaking the laser level in case you drop it on the floor. in terms of accuracy, this laser level it's accurate to ±1/8 of an inch at 30 feet. You can use it indoor at a distance of 100 feet. Again, same as the other model. If you have a laser level detector, you can use it at the distance of 165 feet. One of the best things that these guys did at DEWALT with this laser level is that they made a 12 volts battery that you can use this laser level with, and that really is a game changer. Not only because you are going to save some money on batteries, of course, but if you are working like I know many guys in working with me, they work like non-stop for 9 hours, 10 hours, framing walls, working with drywall and all that. These guys, they're using the tool non-stop, and obviously this 12 volts battery, you can use the laser level for 1 full day or maybe even 2 days without you charging the battery, which really is amazing, increasing the productivity, of course. And not to mention that you can use it as well with any other DEWALT tools that you might have, which uses the 12 volts battery. So it's really a really good feature that this laser level has. Now, if you want to find out more about this laser level, I'll link you again in the description to the review section of the DW088LG on Amazon. Although it's fairly new, it has already over 100 reviews that it's interesting to read for sure. So check out what other people are saying about this tool. I've just published as well on my blog a new article about green laser levels. So if you want to know more about green laser levels, please make sure to check out that blog post as well. The link is in the description as well. Alright, Sparkies and Ninja DIYers, please let me know, what do you think? Is this a good laser level? What your experience is with this one? Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think about these gadgets. Listen, I hope I've answered your question today. Again, please let me know in the comments if it was helpful. If it wasn't, please comment as well. I like to hear your opinion. Just before we go, if you did like this short video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Ninja DIY community. I'd be very happy to share more videos with you, but I'm afraid you might miss them if you don't click that little bell button. So click that little bell button so we can stay in touch with each other. So thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe ninjas and happy DIYing.